let's be real for a second. What's your screen time? Yeah, thought so. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple features that can drastically reduce your screen time and make your day way more productive. Let's get started. All right. First one. And yeah, it might sound way too simple to actually work. But trust me, it does. There's a reason for that. Studies show that color is one of the biggest things that pulls us into our phones. All those bright reds, vibrant blues, they literally trigger dopamine in your brain. That's why your phone feels so addictive. It's basically like a slot machine. But here's the trick. Turn everything to grayscale, and suddenly Instagram feels kinda boring. TikTok? Not that interesting anymore. And before you even realize it, you start picking up your phone way less without even trying. Now I'm going to show you a very simple but powerful setting. Go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility, scroll down and open Display and Text Size, and at the bottom, find Color Filters. Turn that on and select Grayscale. Your screen will instantly turn black and white. And you'll notice something interesting. Your phone suddenly feels a lot less addictive. Second one, App Limits. And this is probably the most direct way to actually control your screen time. Here's how you set it up. Go to Settings, tap on Screen Time, then App Limits, and hit Add Limit. From there, you can set a daily time limit for any app. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever your weakness is. And once that time is up, the app just locks itself. Now, quick warning. There is a button that says Ignore Limit, so if you don't set this up properly, you're basically just lying to yourself. What you want to do is go back to Screen Time, tap Use Screen Time Passcode, and set a password that you won't remember easily, or honestly, give it to a friend if you have to. You're doing great so far. Even just these settings alone can seriously reduce your screen time. But the most surprising one? That's coming up next. Third one, Downtime. You can think of this like a curfew for your phone. So here's what you do. Go to Settings, tap on Screen Time, and then open Downtime. From there, you can set a schedule. For example, from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. And during those hours, only the apps you specifically allow will be available. Everything else just gets locked. What makes this really powerful is when it works. Because let's be honest, the hardest times to stay off your phone are right before bed and first thing in the morning. That's when you fall into scrolling without even thinking. Downtime basically takes that decision away from you. So instead of relying on willpower, your phone just handles it for you. Fourth one, Notification Summary. And honestly, this one can change everything. Think about it. Every single notification you get is like a tiny interruption that pulls you right back into your phone. Even if you don't open it, it breaks your focus. This feature fixes that. Instead of getting notifications all day long, your phone groups them together and sends them at specific times that you choose, like 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Here's how to set it up. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, then Scheduled Summary, and turn it on. After that, just pick the apps you want and set your delivery times, and that's it. Now your phone stops interrupting you all day, and you start checking notifications on your terms. Next one, Focus Modes. And this goes way beyond just Do Not Disturb. So here's how it works. Go to Settings, tap on Focus, and you can start setting up different modes for different parts of your day. For example, you can create a work focus that only allows work-related apps and contacts to come through. Then set up a sleep focus that basically locks everything down at night. You can even automate all of this, so it turns on based on time or your location without you having to think about it. And here's the best part. Unlike just silencing your phone, focus modes actually change your entire home screen. So all those distracting apps, they literally disappear. Out of sight, out of mind. And that alone makes a huge difference. Next, Screen Distance. And this one is kinda sneaky good. Your iPhone actually tracks how close you're holding your phone to your face. And if you're too close for too long, it throws up this full screen warning that you have to manually dismiss. Now, it does sound a bit annoying, And yeah, it is. But that's exactly the point. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Screen Distance, and just enable it. And what ends up happening is pretty interesting. Every time that warning pops up, it snaps you out of that mindless scrolling mode. It's like a little reset moment. And that tiny interruption alone is often enough to make you put your phone down way more than you'd expect. Last one. And this is what ties everything together. Because here's the truth. All the limits you just set don't really matter if you can turn them off in one tap the moment you get frustrated. That's where the Screen Time Passcode comes in. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, and then use Screen Time Passcode. Set a number that you don't normally use, something you won't remember easily. Or even better, have someone else set it for you and not tell you what it is. It might sound extreme, but this is what actually makes everything stick. Because this is the difference between setting limits and actually keeping them. And those are the 7 settings. The whole setup takes less than 5 minutes, and your phone will feel completely different by tomorrow. The one that'll surprise you most, Grayscale. Try it for just 48 hours and tell me what happens in the comments. And if there's a setting I missed that's worked for you, drop it below. I'm genuinely curious. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.